Hi everyone, welcome to the third challenge of Java HackerRank, which is of Java if else. So let's continue. If else are basically known as the condition operator and it is used to make some condition. So here it is the flowchart of if else. Now come to the task part. Given an integer n and perform the following conditional actions. If n is odd, then print weird. If n is even, in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, then print not weird. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, then print weird. If n is even and greater than 20, then print not weird. So basically, if odd, then print weird. Okay. And if even, there are three conditions. If range between 2 to 5, then print not weird. If 6 to 20, then weird. And greater than 20, then print weird. Input format is a single line containing a positive integer n, and it is our constraints. Okay. Now the output format, print weird if the number is weird and otherwise print not weird. Now come to the sample input part. So input 0 is 3. 3 is in between the range of 2 to 5, but 3 is not even, 3 is odd, and so it will print as weird. Now come to the second input part, that is 24. 24 is even and it is greater than 20, so this condition satisfied, so print will be not weird, printed as not weird. Okay, so here it is our explanation part. According to the task, I made a flowchart. So go to the flowchart part. Okay. Now, if the integer n is odd, then it will print as weird. And if the integer n is even, then the range is if 6 to 20, then it will print as weird. And if the range is between 2 to 5 or the integer is greater than 20, then it will print as not weird. So again, go to the task part. Now it is our workspace. It is our main method. Then we have the scanner to scan a number, and we have taken the input integer as n. Okay, and it is the void string. Now we know that if any number is divided by 2 and the remainder becomes 0, then the number is even, and if the remainder becomes 1 and then the number is odd. Okay, so according to the flowchart and according to our task, we may write these lines that if the number is odd, look at that, if the number is odd, then print weird. Okay, so if I divide this number and I get the remainder as 1, so it will become the odd integer. So if it will odd, then print the answer as weird. Then come to the else part, means if the number is even. So in the even part, if the number is in between the 6 and 20, then the answer will be weird, and in other conditions the answer will be not weird. Okay, so at last we print the answer. So I think our code is ready. So then run the code. All sample test cases passed. So submit the code. Okay, all test cases passed. Done. Point will be added in this section. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe the channel and share as much as possible.